In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a customer list from Stripe. To get started, log into your Stripe account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're signed in, look to the left sidebar and click on Customers. This will take you to the section where all of your customer records are stored. Before exporting anything, take a moment to review the customer list you want to export. This is helpful because it lets you confirm you're in the right place and gives you a quick overview of the data that's currently available in your account. When you're ready, go to the top right corner of the Customers page and click the Export button. Stripe will open the export option so you can customize the file before downloading it. First, choose your preferred time zone. This matters because any date-related information in the export may be formatted based on that setting, so it's a good idea to select the one that matches how you usually review your reports. Next, select the date range for the export. If you only need customers from a specific period, this is where you can narrow the file down. If your goal is to download every customer in the account, choose All. So the export includes the full customer list. After that, open the Columns dropdown and select a column set. This determines which fields will appear in the exported file. Once you've chosen a column set, review the customer fields that will be included. Taking a few seconds here can save time later and helps make sure the file contains the information you actually need. Once everything looks correct, click Export. Stripe will then begin generating the export file. Depending on the size of your customer list, this may take a little time, so just wait until the file is ready. As soon as the export becomes available, download the customer list to your device. After the download finishes, open the file and verify the customer data. This final check is useful for confirming that the export completed properly and that the fields, date range, and customer records match what you expected. And that's it. You've successfully exported a customer list from Stripe. Thanks for watching.